Hey guys, long time no update. Sorry, I've been really busy. Yeah, I guess the last video you saw was the rot on the house. Well, let's go around here. Siding crew is supposed to start tomorrow, so just wanted to give everybody an update what I've been up to. And then we'll start back here. Alright, so I think everybody saw the back wall here. I think. I don't know. As I said, I didn't have time to make a video. Didn't have the motivation to pick up the camera. So anyway, I had to get this stuff done. So I got the back wall here fixed. I had to put a new patio door in. I don't know if you saw that or not. I got all the new windows in. And this back wall's all sheathed. I had taken all the decking boards off the side deck here. I had to reflash that and repair the rod over here. You see there was a lot of rot up there. So those new windows are in up there. That one's in up there. Sheathing's rotted all the way up. There's still more rotted sheathing there. The siding guys can deal with that. I have it flashed around the upper deck. The best I can do. I have it flashed inside the deck. I got it cleaned up here. Like I said, this is ready for siding here. Alrighty. The storm door has to come off when they're going to take it off, and I got to modify that opening a little bit. I built these steps out of scraps, some new lumber, but these 2x6s are actually used. They're just flipped over. So yeah, new steps here. And then nothing much here. I got a new bathroom window. I think you guys saw that. I might change out this window yet when they take the siding off. It depends on how everything looks. Mom's bedroom. It's already finished on the inside. If I have any rot down in here, this area, I will change them out. I'll have to order windows. I still have to fix the stucco. Alrighty. Front here, the front porch is done. I think everybody saw that, I think. Maybe they didn't, I don't know. But yeah, this is, I put beadboard on the underside of this porch and stained it with the deck stain. A new porch light here. Still have some building materials on the porch here. I got bags of stucco. Like I said here, I got to do concrete work yet, but I was working on the concrete over here. So I patched the cracks there. There was a big lot missing in there. I patched this whole wall. Okay, now, I don't think you guys saw this. I got rid of the metal door and I built this. This is just a basement entrance. It's just like a little over 4 feet wide and 5 feet deep. There's a door on there. Nothing fancy. The light will be above it. I did everything myself except for the roof. My friend Jimmy put the roof on for me, and Jimmy put the windows upstairs in for me too. Thank you so much, my friend. It's can't get older. You can't do things you used to do. So yeah, that window I had replaced. I think you guys have seen that. And then, like I said, I had to patch this wall before I could build this. Best I could. That's just different types of cement. That's all cement, and this is my own mix. That's Portland cement and sand. So I gotta paint that window frame yet, and nothing's level here. You're never gonna find anything level. Did the best I could with this. So hopefully it looks all right. Down here is that's hardy board sheet, and then that's gonna get painted the color of the stucco, and then this other upper part with the ever built stuff on there, it's gonna get siding. There's the door. I gotta finish the electrical yet, but yeah, there you go. Get the light kicks on. Yeah, I gotta put there's the steps. That's in the basement now. I gotta put some 2x6s across the top here, and then I gotta insulate all this, and then run my wire. I gotta run the wiring and then insulate, and then I'll put a ceiling in here. I have some beadboard left over from the porch that's gonna go in the ceiling in here, and then I'm gonna insulate these walls, and then I'll put something on these walls, whatever I have around here. Probably leftover plywood, or maybe some drywall. I don't know. Maybe it's got to be green drywall though, because this concrete down here gets damp. Now I'm thinking about waterproofing, putting the super thorough seal on this. It's gonna be white though. That'll get dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna pour some concrete around this whole thing. I'm gonna pour some concrete around the whole thing. I gotta dig some more of this dirt out here. I want to put like a sidewalk in here. Just future things. I'm kind of burned out. I got yeah, this fridge is here. I gotta get somebody's supposed to come for that. So yeah, I built that. I built the cover for the basement for the crawl space entrance. I gotta put the latch on there yet and do some trim. I took the old windows apart, burned the frames. That's the aluminum. Those are the window sashes. Did the attic window today. Oh, we didn't show you that. Okay, so like I said, I got 4 windows that are they're vinyl replacement windows that my dad and I installed as new construction windows. So who knows if there's going to be any water damage behind them? We'll just have to see. Like I said, but that's out of all the windows in the house. 4 of them are older, and they're all double pane glass, low E. You know, I don't think the older ones are probably not to the new northern standards, but there's the last one I got in today. I put that one in today. Just a small window from, I think, Home Depot. It's low E glass. It's up to the standards, northern standards. Now these 2 windows are vinyl replacements inside of the aluminum clad frames. They are fine. The ones in the back of the house, I had to change the windows completely out because they were rotted. I'll show you the windows I'm talking about here. Now this one I'm not really worried about at all because it's under the front porch. But yeah, this is a vinyl replacement window. And you can see it's just, here's the window itself. Okay, this is vinyl fascia. I mitered it on 45s. I caulked it. You can see it's dirty. And then I just put the J channel up around it. That's it. So like I said, I'm a little worried about the water getting in. Now here, you know, I don't think it would. I guess you know, I never got caulked. It should have been caulked. Now I noticed down in the basement I had a stain coming down the wall, and I saw right here where it's not caulked and it's cracked here. So I don't know what I'm gonna find behind here, and you know, it's a little bulged here. See that? So I'm not sure. Like I said, when they get the siding off, we'll see what we can do here. I did ask them to give me some kind of strategy that I could change out these last few windows if I had to. Like I said, the only ones left are the vinyl replacements that we did as new construction windows. With this window, the one on the porch I showed you. This bedroom window here, that's my mom's old bedroom. This is my old bedroom before I moved upstairs. Now this window here is about an inch off from something I can buy in stock at Heavey Surplus. So I might change this window this week. I might just do it because, you know, the screen shot, which I did buy a screen kit, but where did I see? Oh yeah, there's a chunk of the frame missing where the screen goes up. Not a big deal, but like I said, if there's any, you can see there's some water coming in around here. Yeah, it's and then this window here. Now this is the only one that would worry me about rot. Everything below it looks good though, but this is I just put a new screen in that, and I ended up breaking the corner off right there when I was putting it back together. But this is a really oddball size. But like I said, if I find any rot under this one here, I'll just have to order a window, and they're going to have to wait a week until the new one comes in, because this is a really oddball size. This was, like I said, this was you know, Dad wanted a small bathroom window. I want a big window. So, but yeah, what had me worried is there's some black stuff growing up there. It might have come in the wall. I don't know. We'll see. I've done enough. You can see I got to do stucco here yet. You know, I got that one section of wall repaired where it was really crumbling. But all this stuff here, it's been repaired. This was, you know, that was the freaking neighbor, the old neighbor again. This is all going to fall off. I'll hit that with a hammer. This will all chip right off. It's not done right. And no, you don't need wire mesh. Don't let anybody tell you that crap. All wire mesh does behind porous concrete is rust. And then it'll come apart anyway. So that's what we're up to. There's the old town car. I'll get some loving soon. I gotta put my ladders away, put my lumber away. But yeah, we're getting there. So anyway, guys, that's what I've been up to, and everyone's having a good day. I had a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Okie dokie. Have a good one. Bye-bye.